Don't consider this plant a weed anymore. Dandelion is a fairly familiar plant because it grows everywhere, but many people only think of it as a weed on the roadside. They don't know that the roots, stems, leaves, and flowers of dandelions are ingredients in traditional medicine to solve many different health problems. Dandelion has much more nutritional content than many other vegetables. Vitamins and minerals such as sodium, magnesium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, starch, and fat are all found in this plant. In Asian countries, people often process it into daily dishes that are very good for health, both as food and medicine. In Asian countries, since ancient times, people have believed food is medicine. To cure an illness, people just need to eat plants that contain active ingredients that fight that illness. For example, if you have a cold, use ginger, garlic. Children with stomach aches just need to chew young guava leaves, etc. Dandelion helps purify the liver. Dandelion helps purify the liver and helps the liver function effectively. The liver has the following functions: filter and detoxify the blood, separate and store amino acids, synthesize and metabolize cholesterol and fat, store glucose, and keep internal organs functioning properly. In addition, dandelion helps the digestive system function well due to its ability to maintain the right amount of bile. Dandelion helps supplement vitamin C, reduce swelling, absorb minerals better, and prevent the development of diseases. A cup of dandelion tea contains 100% of the daily value of vitamin A, so you can prevent rapid aging, respiratory infections, or improve your eyesight with a cup of tea every day. Dandelion benefits. Diuretic dandelion root is a natural diuretic, promoting the detoxification process of the liver. In addition, this plant also helps support the immune system, maintain stable blood sugar levels, reduce heartburn, and other digestive problems. Dandelion helps reduce uric acid, diuretic, anti-gastrointestinal infections, beneficial for reproductive organs,